Right, so I'll show you how to put some of the soundproofing on. You can start either end, that really doesn't matter. Right, so first one, I like to start in this corner. We're going to stick it there. And literally just peel the back off. Try not to go over the original popper holes because it's going to cause you problems when you stick the door card back on. And just literally line up. What I like to do is pay attention to where all the contours are before I do it, and then I can just push it in. It is really just as simple as that. The key to it is definitely getting it to squish down in every area. Obviously every area that there's a bubble, for example, that panel isn't being fully protected and fully preventing vibration, so every bubble needs to be pushed in. There's a clip behind there. I like to completely remove any soundproofing from where the poppers go, because it can prevent the poppers from going back in properly. You want a place to stick your scraps, stick them on the door. Cut the hole out. The full soundproof door. You can see how we've used little offcuts of soundproofing to actually hold the wires up now, which keeps them in place. Just puts them over the plugs as well. Again, stops them rattling around. But yeah, so all nice and sealed again. And Stephen's going to show us how to put the speaker in. I normally put the speaker inside the space first and have the terminals at the bottom. Usually put one there, and one there for screws, so there or thereabouts.